Sheets in which hessian or felt is used for baking are known as fabric backed PB sheets. These sheets are manufactured into following two types. Number one, the first type of fabric backed sheets are manufactured from a mixture of plasticizer, PB, fillers and pigments. This mixture is fed while hot onto hessian backing and passed between heated roller. The sheets so formed are hot kept hot for some time to remove sustain and are then rolled up. These sheets are generally available in 2 mm thickness. The second type of fabric backed sheets is manufactured from a cold mixture of PVC, plasticizer and pigments. The mixture of paste from a form is spread by a roller or knife onto a moving sheets of fabric. The sheets is then passed through a hot zone where the paste is converted to a throat film. The thickness of these sheets kept up 3 mm. Suitability. These sheets are suitable for traffic in dry condition. Then C. Polythene sheets. These sheets are available in wide roll and in varying thickness. Polythene sheets are tough and water resisting. These sheets do not deteriorate with age and are unaffected by extreme temperature or humidity. Suitability. These sheets are used as plastic vapours and moisture barriers such as sheltering materials range on building site to retain moisture and to assist curing of concrete. They are also used as temporary covering for door and windows opening extra. Then corrugated plastic sheets. These sheets light in weight, fire resistance. These are manufactured in varieties of colors. The suitability. These sheets are suitable for roofing purpose in factories and public building. Plastic tile. These tiles are attractive in appearance and also made of a wide range of color and marble pattern. These are various type of plastic tiles available in the market. Some important types of plastic tiles are described so. PV tile, polyvinyl chloride tiles. These tiles which are manufactured from polyvinyl chloride are known as PVC tiles. Polyvinyl chloride and its compounding ingredients are heated, manicated and then rolled into sheets between the hot rollers. The sheets annealed after cooling, which is then cut into the tiles. PV tiles are resistant to grease, solvent, wearing effect extra. Since these tiles show a considerable expansion when wetted, they are therefore laid on dry surfaces. Suitability. These tiles are used for flooring extra in domestic. Then fabric backed PVC tile. The tiles which manufactured with hessian or felt as backing are known as fabric backed PVC tiles. These tiles are manufactured into the following two types. The first type of tiles manufactured from a mixture of plasticizer, PVC, filler and pigments. The mixture is fed while hot onto resin baking and pass between fitted roller. Then the sheets is kept hot sometime and cut into tiles as required shape. The second type of tiles are manufactured from cold mixture of PVC, plasticizer and pigment. The mixture is passed form is spread by a roller or knife or to a moving sheets or fiber. The sheets is then passed through hot zone where it converted into tough film and then cut into the tiles as required. Suitability. These tiles are used for paving floor in dry condition thermoplastic vinyl tiles. These tiles, which are manufactured from mixture of plasticizer of PVC, asbestos, limestone, pigments, are known as thermoplastic vinyl tiles. These tiles are manufactured by heating, masticated and passing the mixture through heated roller. Then the tiles are cut or punctured as required. These tiles are more resistant to the effect of oil, grease and wear. They are also not affected by then when wetted. Then suitability. These tiles are suitable for heavy foot traffic in dry as well as wet condition. They can be used both on wooden and concrete subfloors. Thermoplastic tiles. These tiles, which are manufactured from a mixture of thermoplastics, resin as binder, shorter fiber, asbestos as filler and pigments and fluxes, are known as thermoplastic tiles. These tiles are manufactured by heating, masticating and pressing the hot mixture through heated roll. Then the tiles are cut or punctured as required. The thickness of such tiles is generally 3 to 5 mm. 3 mm thick tiles are suitable for domestic use, but the shops, office, school, etc. 5 mm thick tiles are used generally. These tiles are quite fairly warm water and resistance. They are also easy to clean, do not rust and can withstand heavy load. Moreover, they can withstand effect of dilute acid and alkali. Suitability. The use of these tiles has developed enormously as relatively cheap floor covering for concrete based, mainly in foreign countries. Polystyrene wall tile. These tiles are light in weight and resistant to impact and to a pleasing appearance, but these tiles cannot be resist high temperature. Suitability. These tiles are used for lining of wall of high class building. Ordinarily, these tiles are not resistant to the effect of oil or grease, but there is special grade are available for use in kitchen extra. Plastic laminated. The plastic product which are prepared by impregnating sheets of fibrous material such as paper, linen, canvas or silk with a synthetic resin, and then compress the sheets together with application of heat are known as plastic laminated. The synthetic resin used for manufacturing plastic laminated are phenolic resin, urea, formaldehyde or vinyl resin. Laminated plastics are light, strong, mechanical and impervious to water and oil. They are resistant to wear, alkalis, acids and have a high dielectric constant. Suitability. Plastic laminates are used for decorative purpose in wall paneling, thermal insulated table and countertops. They are extensively used for electrical insulation for making silent gear, fold wheels, pump parts, press tools and water lubrication bearing extra. Laminated bakelite. This type of laminated plastic is made by applying heat pressure upon superimposed layer of copper or fabric impregnated with bakelite synthetic resin. Plastic panel. These sheets made from special craft paper impregnated with a phenolic resin are known as plastic panels. These sheets are 3 meter by 1.5 meter in size and about 25 mm thick. They are light in weight, having specificity 1.4. Suitability. These panels are chiefly used for making lightweight partition. Plastic pipe. These are various type of plastic pipe available in the market. Some important various type of plastic are described below. The PVC pipe. These pipes consist of PVC are known as PVC pipes. They are having good ductility. They can be easily threaded, welded by using hot gas steam and PVC rod. They have got advantage over other types of pipes that they do not burst due to the freezing of water. Then suitability. These pipes are used for distribution of water, mine drainage, gas distribution and for special industrial application. Their use is limited to places where the temperature are only moderate. The polythene plastic pipes. These pipes are consisting of polythene are known as polythene plastic pipes. These pipes are having inherent flexibility and excellent resistance to break from mechanical shocks. Then these stability. These pipes have been sufficient use in England or water pipes for use of chemical and food industry. These are some picture of plastic which are available in market. This is a racing car, boat. These are the plastic products which are made from plastic. These are furniture, table, blocks. Then these are some molding example of plastic. Then popular plastic. The property. These very versatile and having dimensional stability, good mechanical and electrical property, high resistance to impact and chemical. Polycarbonate. Optical lens, food processing equipment, electrical component and insulated medical equipment, resistant sign mechanical components. Then nylon. Property good mechanical and abrasion resistance property, self lubricating resistance to most chemical, but it absorb water, increase the dimension in undesirable application. Mechanical component, gears, bearing, roll, brushes, fastener, guider, zipper, surgical equipment. Then epoxies. Good property, good dimensional stability, excellent mechanical and electrical property, good resistance to heat and chemical application. Electrical components, lubricant, strength tool, tiles, fabricant resistance, epoxy are used for structural component, tanks, pressure vessel, rocket motor casing. Phenolics. Good dimensional stability, result high resistance to heat, water, electrical and chemical application. Laminator panel, handles, nodes, electrical component, connector, insulator. Polyester, reinforced with glass fiber. Good mechanical, electrical and chemical property, good resistance to the heat and chemical application. Boats, luggage, swimming pools, automotive bodies, chairs which are used. Silicones property, excellent electrical property over the wide range of temperature and humidity, good heat and chemical property. Application: electrical component requiring strength of high temperature, waterproof materials, heat and seals. Then advantage of plastic. Plastic advantage. Following are the different type of advantage of plastic. They are heavy blended color, luster and highly polished surface which provide pleasing appearance. They can be molded any desired shape. They can sun and drill like wood. Unlike wood, they are not attacked by insects and microorganisms. Some transparent plastic have high optical properties. They have high resistance to weathering and electrolytes corrosion. They act as a good electrical shield. They are having good thermal and sound absorption properties. Some plastic can be used as a fireproofing material. They are lighting material having specific gravity 1.3 to 1.4 and thus can be transported more easily and at a less cost. They can easily and economically maintained. Plastic can be used for wide range of civil engineering applications. Disadvantage: low strength, low useful temperature range of 60 Fahrenheit, less dimension stability over period of time, aging effect, hardness and become brittle over time, sensitivity and of to environment, moisture and chemical, poor mechanical ability. Thanks.